Brown paper is used to keep the sneaker's shape in the boxing process. A glass cutter is a tool used to make a shallow score on the surface of a piece of glass to cut it. The scoring makes a split in its surface, which encourages it to break along the score. It's very useful in large cutting jobs like this one. Tie rod ends have to be greased before being placed into an automobile suspension. A skilled worker knows the exact move she needs to do her job efficiently. The tire on the floor helps change the direction of the kinetic energy and takes each tire far away. He makes it look easy, but it takes a tremendous amount of strength to chop such a large log in one blow. Copy this skillful worker and keep your fingers away from the blade. Use another tool to hold the food in place to prevent any accidents. Cutting it so fine that it can easily win through from the needle's eye. Acrylic paint is the only paint that can be used on ceramics. Acrylic is a very flexible media that can be used on practically any object. Brush cutters have a specific cutting area, which means you can't just hack into vegetation from any direction. That means you have to learn your way with them to make a good job. Like this worker, who leaves a flawless straight edge on the bush. With a useful hand tool and a lot of skill. This worker cuts spaghettis out of a cucurbit. She makes a continuous movement that leaves a spiral shape on the vegetable. Both Salmonella and Listeria bacteria may be present on the rind of the cantaloupe. That's why it's important to peel it completely and to wash the knife afterward. And this man is doing his job perfectly. A skilled worker knows the exact move she needs to do her job efficiently. To better locate a wire later, all wires are a different color and neatly ordered. It takes a lot of practice to fit every wire on the first go. Once the noodles are done, these workers coil them before packing them. To make the job quicker, this worker holds the paintbrush still while the bowl turns, painting perfect lines. That's why it's important to peel it completely and to wash the knife afterward.